Learn English to Gujarati. Something to everywhere with.
કંઈક,
And.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
Welcome to the mystery box. Hey, you are about to learn a super useful set of English to Gujarati words. And yes, we will do it with missing keys, dramatic snacks, and suspicious boxes. Picture this. You walk into a room and there is a box on the table. Inside, there is
કંઈક,
something mysterious. You open another box and find
કંઈ નહીં.
nothing at all. Then Grandma arrives and says, "Why look in boxes? I packed
બધું.
everything." Somehow the keys are solved.
કોઈક રીતે.
But they are still
ક્યાંક.
somewhere in the house, and for one tragic minute they seem
ક્યાંની નહીં.
nowhere. Then suddenly socks, keys, spoons, and one confused banana are
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
everywhere. Welcome to your vocabulary adventure. Your words for today. Let's meet the stars of this chapter one by one. Say them aloud with me and enjoy the rhythm. Something in Gujarati is
કંઈક,
example. I need
કંઈક,
to write with. Nothing in Gujarati is
કંઈ નહીં.
example. There is
કંઈ નહીં.
in the box. Everything in Gujarati is
બધું.
example.
બધું તૈયાર છે.
Everything is ready. Somehow in Gujarati is
કોઈક રીતે.
example.
કોઈક રીતે.
We finished on time. Somewhere in Gujarati is
ક્યાંક,
example. My phone is
ક્યાંક.
in the room. Nowhere in Gujarati is
ક્યાંની નહીં.
example. The cat is
ક્યાંની નહીં.
in the house. Everywhere in Gujarati is
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
example. After the party, glitter is
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
a very serious snack emergency. Now let's put the words into a funny story. Listen for the target words and imagine the scene like a mini-movie. You are hungry, not a little hungry. Legendary, dramatic, end-of-the-world hungry. You open the fridge and expect treasure. Inside?
કંઈ નહીં.
Nothing. You open the cupboard. Ah,
કંઈક,
something. But it is in a mysterious jar with no label. You call your friend and ask, "Did you eat everything?" Your friend proudly answers, "No, not everything. But maybe."
બધું.
Quote. Rude. So you search.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
On the shelf, under the bread, behind the milk, next to the heroic onion. The cookies are
ક્યાંક,
somewhere, you know it. 5 minutes later, they are
ક્યાંની નહીં.
nowhere. Then,
કોઈક રીતે.
somehow, you find them in the vegetable drawer. Why were cookies next to spinach? No one knows. Language learning is easier than this fridge. Mini dialogues you can steal. Here are short spoken lines you can reuse in real life. Try repeating after each one. A. What is in the bag? B.
કંઈક,
A. What is in the box? B.
કંઈ નહીં.
A. Did you pack it all? B. Yes.
બધું.
A. How did you pass the exam? B.
કોઈક રીતે.
A. Where are my glasses? B.
ક્યાંક.
Here. A. Is the book on the table, under the bed, or on the chair? B. No.
ક્યાંની નહીં.
A. Where did you search? B.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
Quick pattern trick. You do not need to memorize these as random words. There is a logic here, and once you feel it, the set becomes much easier. Think in contrasts.
કંઈક,
Is something a vague thing that exists?
કંઈ નહીં.
Is nothing the empty result?
બધું.
Is everything the whole set? For place.
ક્યાંક,
Means somewhere, while.
ક્યાંની નહીં.
Means nowhere, and.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
Means everywhere. For method.
કોઈક રીતે.
Means somehow, when even you are not fully sure how you managed to survive Monday. Say it in full sentences. Now let's level up. Full sentences help the words stick in your memory much faster. I heard.
કંઈક,
Outside. That means, I heard something outside. He said.
કંઈ નહીં.
That means, he said nothing.
બધું મહત્વનું છે.
Everything matters.
કોઈક રીતે.
It all worked out. Somehow it all worked out. Let's sit.
ક્યાંક.
Quiet. Let's sit somewhere quiet. The cat was.
ક્યાંની નહીં.
In the house. The cat was nowhere in the house. Flowers were.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
Flowers were everywhere. Tiny quiz, big glory. Time for a quick challenge. Answer before I do, and pretend you are on a game show with dramatic lights. How do you say something in Gujarati?
કંઈક.
How do you say nothing in Gujarati?
કંઈ નહીં.
How do you say everything in Gujarati?
બધું.
How do you say somehow in Gujarati?
કોઈક રીતે.
How do you say somewhere in Gujarati?
ક્યાંક.
How do you say nowhere in Gujarati?
ક્યાંની નહીં.
How do you say everywhere in Gujarati?
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
Final challenge story. Let's finish with one last silly scene. See if you can understand all the key words as they appear. You are getting ready for a trip. You need
કંઈક.
to wear, but your suitcase contains
કંઈ નહીં.
useful. Your best friend says, relax, I packed.
બધું.
Quote. That sounds helpful until you discover they packed 3 hats, 7 spoons, and a rubber duck. Still.
કોઈક રીતે.
Somehow, the trip works out. At the station, your ticket is
ક્યાંક.
in your bag. Then for 10 terrifying seconds it is.
ક્યાંની નહીં.
You search.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
And finally find it in your passport. Why was it there? Because travel is chaos. But your Gujarati is getting stronger. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just practiced a powerful group of everyday words in English and Gujarati. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
કંઈક. કંઈ નહીં. બધું. કોઈક રીતે. ક્યાંક. ક્યાંની નહીં.
And.
દરેક જગ્યાએ.
Out loud. Repeat the mini dialogues, make your own funny examples, and use the words in real life. You are doing great, and with a little daily practice, this vocabulary will start showing up everywhere.